Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be flipping through these two new mega sticker books that are releasing on Tuesday on the Happy Planner website. So if you'd like to see what's inside these books, keep watching. All right, so first things first, the sale begins at 9 a.m. Pacific time on Tuesday, February 22nd, and it's going to be like a ton of stuff. If you have not watched my unboxing video of everything the Happy Planner sent to me, you can do that now, but I'm going to be trying to do flip throughs of different things. So when you're shopping, I do have an affiliate link. I would really appreciate it if you use it. I will put it in the description box. It's just a good way to help out content creators at no cost to you. So thank you for using my link. I have some codes for you. I wrote them out this time. You can screenshot if you want. But basically, the more you spend, the more money that's taken off. And I know that I'm probably going to be getting 25% off, just saying. So let's get started and check out these two big sticker books here, the mega sticker packs. So first we have colorful boxes. Look, I've been wanting this for a really long time, like really long. And I know a lot of you have been wanting this one. It's like going to be so nice. In fact, I'm going to buy a second one too, because it's going to be so nice to just grab this book and get the boxes that I need. There's lots of colors in here. I'm going to flip through this one pretty quickly because basically it's boxes, you guys. There's some other things in here, like some functional stuff, but like boxes in different colors. So you have like, it's kind of like a color story sticker book, you know, it's like different themes. This is like a very bright themed area right here. I love that there's true yellow. We have some appointment stickers, long buck stickers, some circles, monthlies there. That's for the monthly, for the number, the cutout for the number. And then look at these. These are so cute. I love like clustering these together. I think they're so fun. They're also really good for currently pages. I've used them before on currently pages. They're really nice. Here we have some of this color palette with like that mustard yellow. And then we go into gold. So this gold foil is like not super shiny. It's pretty much matte gold foil, sort of, if that's even a thing. But these are useful for sure. And they're going to be more matte than what's in like the Colorful Boxes sticker book, the regular one, you know. And then we go into silver. I wish there was a whole sticker book of just squares. They're my favorite. Leave a comment below and tell me what your favorite size of box sticker is. I know that's crazy. Here we have rose gold. And then copper foil. Those are cool. I know I'm going fast, but like I said, it's just boxes. So here we have some of those colors. And we have strip stickers in here too. Look at that one that has like little gold dots. That's so pretty. But these are the colors in like the Align sticker books. We've got like those grays and like the blue grays and stuff. I think these are really cool and useful. We all know I'm not a fan of the arched box stickers, but I can make them work. And, you know, if you don't like them either, you can cut them and change them into what you want. You can cover the top. You can do them sideways. Like there's so many different ways to use them. And I do use them, you know, but I just prefer the cleaner lines. I like these boxes. They have that inside line, which I like to draw sometimes for like interest, right? More monthlies, some small ones there. I love that they're giving us tons of gray boxes, you guys. I love putting gray boxes in my planner. And there's more gray over here. Functional, functional, functional. These are about as functional as you can possibly get. Look at, they're so cool. There's so much gray in here. I'm so excited about that. And black boxes too, which, you know, we all can use. And then these are really cool. So they're neutrals, like they're like, you know, light browns and tans and kind of taupe in this one here with some gold love these colors because these are going to be great for, you know, spreads where you're just like using those blush tone colors and stuff. And it's just like, if you're a fan of neutrals, this is for you. Really good to have these colors, and browns too. Like, we don't get that in the regular Colorful Boxes book, so I really appreciate this. Happy Planner, thank you. There's a lot of these, and you see some of these colors in the Modern Year sticker book, and I only bought one of those, and then I regretted it. But I'm glad I have this now. Look, some shaded boxes there. We get a lot of the neutral colors in here, which is great. Okay, and then we go into pastels. So these have a little bit of gold foil on them. I don't know if you can see that. I'm a big fan of pastels as well. Like, I just love, I wish this was pastel yellow though, I will say, instead of like being, although I really can use like this color yellow a lot, but I love pastel spreads for sure. Especially in the springtime, right? And this is a spring release, so that makes sense. So a lot of these are like dot grid. Some are, you know, bullet points, like a check box. Wow, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. Not like a to-do list, right? And some are plain, some have graph paper. So they're all kind of different, which is good. We have little icons there in the middle. I always forget to use those. Whoa. And just more boxes, cute ones there. And more boxes. So if you're a fan of box stickers, this is the book for you. I do believe this one will sell out. Like, I can't predict it. I can't predict how many Happy Planner is going to order. I can't predict how many people are going to buy them, but I will say everyone's going to be very excited about this because it's so functional and it's going to match like all your spreads. So anyway, let's move on to the next sticker book. This is called All the Essentials. By the way, I have not flipped through, like, I've kind of like flipped real quick through them, but I didn't go like into detail and look at these books yet. This is the first time I am doing that. And the reason is I like it to be authentic, like my reactions to things. So I have not looked at this book yet, except for like a quick, you know. All right, so here we have some purples and greens, some functional stickers here. And yeah, look at these. We've got like nail appointment. Whoa, those are cool. Those are two separate colors there. We've got some shopping stickers, breakfast, brunch. Ooh, look at these. So these are like watercolory, real pretty habit trackers. And we have like reminder stickers here, all the essentials. I love the colors in these. I think those are so cool. Look, it's so much fun to do chores when you have a sticker that looks like that, that says chores. Like, that's why I like planning. If there's like something boring I don't want to do, just put a fun sticker on it, be like, chores, sparkle, you know? All right, so we've got some bill paying stickers here in pastel colors. Little icons. These are on clear sticker paper. So we've seen some of these kind of designs before, but like not all of them, I don't think. And some of them might be from like the new sticker books that I have not really looked at yet, so that's possible. List it out, plan on it today. Like, these are cool. I like those. It's kind of ombre-ish. Think positive, dream it, do it, busy week ahead. I love when they give us like backgrounds like this because I can totally like cut around the background like and use it. You know, I like to use every part of pages like this. It just like, especially if you're using these stickers on it, you could totally like take the sticker off. Wait, look. You could take the sticker off and then you could take this whole side and use it for like a washi strip or something. I like doing that. Big dreams, wild ideas. This is amazing. Shopping list. We have work schedule stickers here. Look, shopping. I hate shopping too, especially grocery shopping. Shopping. Yay. Okay, with meal planning and some cool colors. I know I'm flipping through this fast, you guys, but I've got a lot of sticker books to flip through today and not a lot of time, so that's why. Habit trackers here. And then some more functional things with flags. Clean the house. Why not like make it fun and put a cute little sticker on it? And look, TVs for what you're watching. Doctor appointments. I always forget to use appointment stickers. Do you? I always forget. So I just write them in. Birthday, celebrate. I've seen these before. Move that over. Look at it. A dinosaur. What's he from? List it out. Jot it down. Note to self. Functional boxes in here. Ooh, look at that one. That looks so cute with those stars. Busy week ahead. So you get 2 pages of each, basically. We've got some more lots of shopping in this book. We're going places. We're going to the store and getting our shopping done. Habit trackers. Okay, here's like a bunch of weekend stickers here. Note to self, weekend today, and then a bunch of like headers there. And then we have flight stickers here in these cool colors. They're really cool. Adventure calls, packing list. Maybe I'll use one of those for Go Wild. That looks like Go Wild colors. Ooh. And then these have gold foil, but they're basically, and again, the cool background, right? But these are basically little things like flags. And let's see, these are circles and yeah, flags and circles and then like headers. Okay, so that is the first side. Let's check out the second side. So here we have some decorative boxes, which I love. Okay, and you get 2. So this is what I love about these mega sticker books. Like, okay, so you get 2 of the same page, which some people be like, why don't you give me a different sticker? I like it because if I want to use one of these, like say this was my favorite sticker of all time, then like if I use it, I have another one. You know what I mean? So it works out and then you can use it again. Or, you know, if you're like me and you're making planner spreads for other people or something, like then you can use one for yourself too. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I love that. Some gold foil here and then another page with like colors. Slow down. It's okay to slow down, Mary Ellen. I know, but today it's not. Today I'm doing tons of flip throughs. Every day is a fresh start. So I just think these colors are really cool and the designs on the background are really cool. I know, real detailed flip through. Really cool, really cool. In every season, be grateful. It's okay to slow down. It keeps reminding me of that. Look how far you've come. I don't know. I've only gotten through 2 sticker books so far. Not even. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad they put these in here. These are from my dashboard planner from last year. It was called, what the heck is it called? I don't know. Maybe it was called Adventure Awaits. I don't think so though. But I loved these designs in that planner. So I'm so happy that they are stickers now. Like that makes me really happy. Look at this one. Look at that cactus there. That's really cool. We've got some matte gold foil on these. And another one in case you use that one and you want to use the other one. So here we have like a whole bunch of like really cool watercolory, like, I don't know. They're just like pastel vibes. Look at, these are neat. Like this says, it's probably hard to see, but this says to-do list. And then like, it has like those cool stripes. Oh, it was like desert. It was desert something. It was the name of that planner. I forget exactly what it was called. Accomplished today, to do. So these are real pale pastels and I am all for it. I love those. And then these go with it too. We've got constellations, we've got rainbows. These are on clear sticker paper, by the way. Those are really cool. Love the colors there. So now we're in a different theme and it looks like a jungle-y kind of theme, right? Again, these might be from like a new sticker book that I got that I haven't, or that I didn't get even from this release. I don't know because I haven't seen these designs before. This says today, remember, this is like gold foil on these ones. Look at this little lollipop. That's super cute, isn't it? That little lollipop. Oh my gosh. So this is another page. So they're giving you 2 of the same pages, but like a lot of the time it has like gold foil on one and then not on the other. Remember this week, don't forget today. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Little cameras here. Oh my gosh, popsicles. I love this. This is where, look, the dinosaurs. This is where the dinosaurs are. This is where they live. These are really cute. I love the colors too. They're really different. Okay. I'm in love with this page. Oh my gosh. These are clear stickers here. Love this. And then we're in a different theme. Wild and free, dreams, goals. We got these like these little, you know, paint things. You know, I'm so detailed and technical. Rose gold, live simply, goals. It's hard to read these from my perspective here. Keep dreaming. Yeah. And then another page that says like kind of same thing. But there's like, again, some like real pale pastels. I like that. Courage. Love that. So maybe list some things that, you know, you've been putting off that you're scared to do. And then more of this kind of theme. Real pretty, real functional. These ones are on clear sticker paper. We've got some quotes here. We are what we believe we are. Courage, dear heart. Courage. This is like courage. Be brave. All right. So this is an interesting theme. This is like, whoa, this is a lot. It's kind of cool though, isn't it? I don't know. This is like wild. I think that the contractors, like the basement people came by. I feel awkward talking to myself again. Okay. So we have daydream, magic, inspiration, lots of functional boxes here. And then more clear quotes. Okay, that is that sticker book. So that's all the essentials and colorful boxes. You get a lot for your money in these. And if you're new to the Happy Planner, like these are a good starting point. Like grab one of these. You've got a whole bunch of different things in it so that when you're planning, you don't have to like have, you know, like me, 380 sticker books at your disposal, you know, and trying to choose your sticker books and match them. And everything. Like you can just take this and, you know, they're themed and stuff. So I think that's a good idea. Anyway, yay, Tuesday, you guys, Tuesday. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Check out my other flip throughs on my channel probably now. All right. See ya.